One of the coolest features of Canva is the Styles menu. If you don't see Styles here, you can go down to the bottom where it says More, and you should be able to find Styles. And what this window does, it gives you the ability to change up the color and the font of your template to match the style or the brand that you're working with. So you can go through and click through some of these options, see the different color schemes associated with that color combination, and find something that works for you. When you find it, if you want to apply it to all pages of your project, you can click this Apply to All Pages button. It'll actually apply that style to all of the pages within your project. So it's kind of a cool way to keep everything in line.